everyone, Sergio here. Today I'm going to show you how to create, publish, and assign your activity at Speakable. So I'm going to create it here. I'm going to be using a combination of creating from scratch, creating with AI, and import vocab list. For this, first choose the language. In this case, I'm going to be creating a Spanish activity, and I'm going to start with AI. I'm going to tell Chatty what I want, and Chatty is going to create it for me. Once Chatty created it, I'm going to keep editing using the manual creator. All right, Chatty has created some cards for me. I'm going to add them all. Now I'm going to go back to the content creator and edit them. I'm going to be adding some media here. So I'm going to be adding images to make things pretty. I'm going to add the blonde hair for this one. I'm going to be changing this one altogether. And I'm going to be adding the media to the next one. And I'm going to choose all right, so I'm going to choose this picture, and I'm going to add AI context to this particular one that will merge or marry the prompt to the image. So now Speakable will know the picture contains and how the prompt fits into it. I'm going to edit the other cards as well until we have one cohesive activity. I'll catch you when I'm done with that. All right, now I have finished creating my activity. It's ready to go. It's about describing people. I added images to all of them, including AI context to one of the cards, but I'm ready to go. I haven't edited the welcome page here, but I can do it later. So I can do it here from the welcome page or the ending page, or I can hit publish and I can add the name, subject, and cover image for this. So describir, that's going to be the title for mine. The subject, this is going to be world languages, but you can decide it to be one of any of the above. So English, world languages, social studies, English, language arts, science. We are going to be adding more in the future as well. Language Spanish, and I can add it to a folder if you want. I'm not going to do it this time, but I'm going to add a cover for my image. So we're going to be adding this to describe people, and I'm going to be using this one. Okay. When you're ready to publish and assign it, you can just save it as draft, publish it alone, and that will be in your libraries, or do both. I'm going to do publish and assign. In this case, I can decide for it to be in a practice or assessment. The difference is that with practice, the students will be able to receive their scores immediately. If you pick an assessment, then the AI will still grade your students, but they will have to go through you first before they're published to that. So I'm going to add it to my Español 3 classroom in this case, and I'm going to schedule the assignment. I can decide that the activity will be open starting tomorrow at midnight, and it's going to be available up until the Friday of this week, up until 11:55 p.m. So they have the entire week to do this. If you prefer not to add a date or not to add a schedule date or due date, you can leave those blank and simply create the assignment. Now, the assignment will be available in your students' classrooms. You can still send it to them by clicking on the share link, but if they have already been linked to your classroom, they will receive a notification in their inboxes so they can start the activity right away. Join us for the next one.